Hello all, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with the unit 13 of Mmpc 007, that is technology and communication. So let's see the objectives of this chapter. Objectives are understand the concept of technology in communication, explore the effective tools of technology in communication, explore other multimedia tools in presentations, and learn the management of social media management. These are the objectives of this chapter. And the structure of these units are there is an introduction, internet and intranet, multimedia presentation, information and communication technology, virtual meeting, teleconferencing, video conference, messaging tools, rich media and lean media, social media management, summary, keywords, self-assessment questions also there. So let's begin with the introduction part. And in introduction, there is information technology has changed the way of every business operation, from designing the product to managing the logistics and the supply chain. Today, information technology is impacting the business very rapidly. Instant flow of information and message has become the lifeline of effective and timely decision making. Many presentation software are available which have transformed the way of presentations too. Today, it is easier to be connected to all the stakeholders of the business with the help of information, communication, and technology (ICT). And various application tools helps in savings time and money and have become effective tool of communication. The use of social media profiles too has increased to highlight the presence in the market. And so, in this unit, we will study all the aspect of and learn how ICT has penetrated our daily as well as professional lives. So, all of you know what's the role of internet and social media nowadays in your life. So most of them are using, all of you 99% people are using the Android phones daily. They are using internet, and advertisement are through that. All are using for to choose the product, choose all services like that. So in daily life, the internet and intranet are very important. And let's see what is internet and intranet. Internet is the open field and there is no central administration to it. TCP or IP protocol is the prime operating agent for the internet used by the connected network, which may also involve other protocol like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP. Apart from this, there are other protocols which have been used since the genesis of the internet, such as Telnet and FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol, Internet Relay Chat, Gopher, Usenet News, and WW, that is World Wide Web, and email are the most important development when we talk about the internet. And internet has the following features. It is a global system and a public network, and information is accessible, and it has large number of users, and it is less secure. It is not regulated. It has high traffic. And intranet, as we know that internet is a private computer network, but in order to operate it has to use internet protocol network connectivity to access, communicate, and share vital information within the virtual boundaries of an organization. So intranet uses the same client server model running on the TCP or IP protocol, which is identical to an internet. The features of intranet are: it is a private network, only the users have access. It is a more secure network and it has limited users. The traffic is limited. And the comparison of internet and intranet are here. Basic for comparison: internet and internet. So there is meaning. So internet is the connects various network of computers together, and intranet is a vital part of internet which is privately owned by a particular organization. And accessibility, easily accessible by anyone, and intranet is the only employees and members of the organization can access with their login details. And there is safety, no users, these are the difference. And visitors traffic is high in internet and low in intranet. And network type, information provided. So you just go through MMBC 007, you need to 13, and this is the basic comparison table, so you just refer that. In case any doubts, you just contact us. Okay. And next is multimedia presentation. Presentation is an important part of organization, and proper systematic lively presentation can leave deep and long lasting impact in the mind of clients, team, and all the stakeholders directly or indirectly involved in a business. And PowerPoint presentations are no doubt effective, but multimedia software have surely developed an edge over these in due course of time. The simple reason is multimedia presentation are equipped with different tools and features which can leave the audience totally fascinated, and new cutting edge features like stock photos, audio narration, background music, custom transitions, animations, animated icons, sound effects, etc. are available in multimedia presentations. And recall value in the customers mind long lasting impact. A customer turning up into a potential customer are the point in the priority list of the organization. To achieve all these targets, creative presentations have to be equipped with various tools. Following is the list of commonly used tools included in multimedia presentation: text, image, video, sound, gif and animation, charts, transitions, narration, sound effects, etc. Now let us explore the five most effective multimedia presentation application which can be used in making the presentations more lively and effective through, although many multimedia applications are available in the virtual world. The features of frequently used multimedia presentation software are given below. There is Focus Sky, that is Focus Sky is a open source presentation software that is highly recommended for multimedia presentation for organization. And Adobe Premiere. The Adobe Premiere is an effective presentation software for fabricating deep impact video presentations. And Reveal.js. If someone is looking for multi-touch presentation, then Reveal.js is the answer, which is one of the most popular open source. And LibreOffice, this Windows based platform is one of the favorite choice for commercial settings and educational purpose. Video presentation software, this is a presentation software which can help you develop scintillating high definition and whiteboard style animation video presentation without the knowledge of design or technical acumen. So activity 1 is here. Based on this section, you just try to do it. And next is information and communication technology. The term information and communication technology refers to all of the technologies and services involved in computing, data protocol management, telecommunication, and the internet. ICT aim to provide newer and more innovative way for people to interact, network, gain access to information, excel, and learn all at the same time. And information and communication technology now has a significant economic impact. The technology sector hold a significant portion of economic activity around the globe as economies, employment, and personnel have become more automated and the world has become a global village. And importance of information and communication technology, ICT and e-commerce. The ICT infrastructure that formerly drove simple credit or debit card and transactions and centralized record keeping for commercial organization continue to expand in retail and other customer facing environment, and e-commerce now merge with the shopping experience itself. And ICT and a new business. E-commerce and the expansion of ICT have brought considerable changes to how commercial organizations function behind the scene. In addition to new route of for purchasing, a new mean of showing and promoting goods, and mobile devices and real-time communication combined with development in data analytics and artificial intelligence and enable retail sales people to work more efficiently. And manufacturing innovation, ICT is useful support mechanism in manufacturing sector capable of making design and promote production more robust and effective and efficient through the use of computer based precision engineering, virtualized system, and computers simulation, etc. And new method of manufacture. ICT is a useful support mechanism in the manufacturing sector capable of making design and production more robust and effective and efficient through the use of computer based precision engineering, virtualized system, and computer simulation. Customer feedback loops and data analytics are both powered by information and communication technology. Both of these factors enable manufacturers to strengthen their relationship with the customers while also adding value to the products they create through customization. Reduction in network latency. As the fourth industrial revolution or industry 4.0 progresses, new communication technologies such as 5G New communication technologies such as 5G will reduce network latency and increase bandwidth and increase manufacturers' capacity for real time and near real time responses. And ICT and advancement in healthcare system. Information and communication technology has developed a variety of application in the healthcare sector, and these applications have tremendously affected domain of patient care, public health, operating cost, and traditional bureaucracy linked with the medical profession and life science. Education's ubiquity and universal accessibility. So ICT facilitate electronic learning, also known as e-learning, by combining database technology with communication and interactive programming techniques. ICT and environmental impact. So, with the sustainability and environmental stewardship high on the priority list for individual consumers, governments, and organization, information and communication technology presents a two-sided argument. And virtual meeting. What is virtual meeting? A virtual meeting is when people in different departments, divisions, sections interface simultaneously, utilizing innovation to achieve a common objective. Virtual meeting in general are easy to execute and do not require as much planning time as an offline meeting does. And significance of virtual meeting: interaction with the colleagues at a distance. Virtual meeting provide a unique platform to connect with those teammates and who are based distantly or at various workplaces. Meeting with the client or customers. Virtual meeting have now become a new formal when there is need to discuss the matters of importance with the clients or address customers. Save cost and time. It is an effective way to save cost and time of the organization. Platform for virtual meetings. In a business setup, meetings are organized throughout the year, and every meeting has a different agenda, different participants, and different setup. Some participants will attend the meeting, some may like to see the recordings of the meetings later, and therefore, the organizer of the meeting has to look into various options before choosing the right platform for virtual meeting. There is option to record the meeting. This is a helpful device if some welcomed participants is not able to join the gathering due to any reason, or some participant need to have the option to review the recording later to note down some important fact and figures discussed in the meeting. Chat option. Most of the meeting platform permit participants to type observations and queries in the chat box, and this is a useful instrument for a large number of participants like workshops, conferences, etc., where questions cannot be taken up individually. And sync the meeting information with the calendar. Search for an internet meeting application that will synchronize meeting schedules with your day-to-day activities schedule, and this is prominent tool and will ensure that participants do not miss any meetings. And this feature will also help in planning the time effectively, as the managers can always prioritize their other tasks quite productively. Features to customize meeting rooms. Some internet meetings applications do permit customizing meeting rooms and aligned with the organization needs. This can be valuable in case there is a meeting with the forthcoming customers where organization strengths are to be highlighted. And presence of engagement features. Internet meeting tools can consolidate test and games and applications to be executed for the meeting. These extra provisions are a colossal resources with regard to keeping the participant fully involved and engaged during the meeting. Options to modify record, and it tended to be amazing helpful to discover a meeting device that permits you to modify the reports with the group and team up progressively. Ways to make a virtual meeting productive. Once the right platform is chosen, it is then important to try and make the meeting as productive as possible and define the objective of the meeting. Build up the objective of the virtual meeting. It can be the complex issue which need to be tackled on a immediate basis, or monitoring the group, or to discuss some complex data information, etc. Whatever it may be, it has to be itemized and placed as agenda item for the forthcoming meeting. Decide clearly who is driving the discussion. So while virtual meetings contrast from offline meeting in the way that the number of individuals are involved in the discussion, it is therefore important to assign the task of moderator or convener of the meeting, who can facilitate the discussion in the right direction without wasting time in unnecessary discussion and maintaining virtual gathering decorum. And since the meeting is virtual, the participants tended to be casual and may eat or drink or perform activities which may not be professional. And select the options for choosing the appropriate question. The moderate should be assigned the task to select appropriate question to be taken up in the meeting. Establish connect with the audience on one basis. Try to save a couple of minutes towards the start or end of the virtual meeting to connect with the participants. This act reassure everybody that they are being given importance, which help in establishing long-term and associations with the stakeholders. Keeping virtual participants on task. And a meeting plan is practically pointless if the participants do not adhere to it. And to keep participants on task and engaged, a proper planning is important, like assigning tasks to the participants. It can be taking notes, jotting down the relevant question, etc. And advantages of virtual meeting have many benefits over offline meetings. These are harmless to the ecosystem, low cost association with remote participants. Virtual meetings, therefore, are one of the constructive ways when we talk about the relationship of technology with communication. Okay, so this is about today's session, and next subsection we will discuss on next video. And in case any doubts, you just contact us through our contact number, or you can comment it on our comment box. And for more MBA videos, you just do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents Ignou Mba complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.